Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're answering a question that we've been getting a lot lately after flood claims, and that is, hey, my property flooded, am I going to be moved to a high-risk flood zone because I was in a low-risk flood zone? Or how am I going to be impacted after the flood when it comes to flood insurance rates? Now, it's important to understand that there's really two different scenarios here: private flood insurance and the National Flood Insurance Program. Let's talk about private first. Private flood insurance, very well after a claim, you could be non-renewed. They could skyrocket rates in area. We see this all the time because of the data, and they can do this a lot quicker than the National Flood Insurance Program. One reason is the National Flood Insurance Program, after a flood event like this, they normally work with a community to do what's called a flood insurance study report, and this will give them an understanding of why the event occurred, the impacts the event had, and maybe some areas that need to be changed in the future. The problem is this whole process could possibly take 3 to 5 years. And many times, this is why these National Flood Insurance Program flood maps or these flood zones are way out of date, is because the amount of time it takes them to work with a local community, get them approved, and implement them. This is one of the benefits of having private flood insurance, is they can actually be more accurate on what the real risk is. So this is exactly what could happen to your flood zone after that flood. So if you've got questions about what your flood insurance options are, what you can do to minimize your flood risk, then make sure to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we have an educational background on flood mitigation, which means we're here to help you understand flood risks like this right here, your flood insurance, and mitigating your property long term. Thank you.